Hi guys, I have a very big confession to make today. Have you guys ever encountered anything so beautiful, so sexy, so irresistible? Hold on. I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about this delicious, nice looking moi moi. Let me show you how I make the moi moi.
Moimoi, delight, delight, delight. From the heart of Naija, a dish so fine, steamed to perfection, taste so divine. Lentils blend with spices so bold, a story of flavor, a joy to behold. Moi moi, oh moi moi, soft and sweet. Savored by all, it's the meal to beat. With oil, paprika, and tuna so bright. One little bite and you'll dance with delight. Moi, moi, oh, moi, moi, soft and sweet. Savored by all, it's the meal to beat. With oil, paprika, and tuna so bright. One little bite and you'll dance with delight. Onion sizzle, the magic begins. Spices whisper as hunger kicks in. Wrapped up warm in leaves or a tin. The most irresistible, where do I begin? Moi, moi, oh moi, moi, soft and sweet. Savored by all, it's the meal to beat. With oil, paprika, and tuna so bright. One little bite and you'll dance with delight. From Lagos to Calabar,
A few moments later.
at every party, by every bride, with jollof, with rice, or on its own. Moi Moi's love is always known. So take a bite, let the flavors flow. The taste of Naija, let the love show. Moi Moi forever on every plate. A dish so perfect, it must be fate.
So guys, our moimoi is now ready to be enjoyed. Some of you would like to enjoy this moimoi with a glass of red wine, okay, which is very good. It's very good. But as an ajipako that I am, I would like to enjoy my moimoi with a very nice sipping gari, because I know that sipping gari goes down well with moimoi. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us. Bye.